Hello po. So, today we're going to unbox the SKM9000 Wireless Microphone from Shopee. And yeah, so without further ado, let's now get started. So, let us now plug it in sa power. Here's we have the antennas. Dalawa. My mix out. My XLR. Dalawa rin. Tapos antenna. Okay. So sa harap, here the volume. And then yung panel niya, yung digital panel. And volume, may up down for its frequency. Then I set. Same din dito. May up and down for the frequency and then set. Tapos ito yung power niya. Okay. Sa screen naman, ito yung frequency, mute, then yung battery. Nandyan yung battery. Okay? So check natin ito kung anong tunog niya.
So check. Hey. Mic check. Hello. 1, 2. Sound check. Hey. Check. Sound check. Hey. Hello. Check. Sound check. Hello. Test. Mic check.